What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on RIOT stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's continue with their section about on website riotblockchain.com, and it says Riot Blockchain is focused on supporting the Bitcoin ecosystem through proof-of-work mining. We are believers in the Bitcoin opportunity, and our continued efforts aimed at growing our mining operation demonstrates our commitment to the Bitcoin network. Riot is one of the largest US-based publicly traded Bitcoin miners in North America, and we are constantly working to improve our efficiency and production. And let's continue with their financials. For now, their total market cap is $3.41 billion. They have a revenue of $12.08 million, with a negative net income of $12.67 million. They have very good revenue growth of 76.7%. And their total cash for now is $223.38 million, and they are debt-free, and they have mind-blowing current ratio of 98.57. So, from the financial standpoint, this company is rather stable. They have very good numbers on their balance sheet. And since I made my previous video, we don't have any news that was published on their press release section or news section. That's why this company, in my opinion, in some kind of quiet mode, and I think it is a very good opportunity for now to add to your position. And let me show you why I think so, and let me show you why we might see major catalyst in nearest future in a matter of 2 weeks. Right here we have the news that was published on April 12th, and it's titled Riot Blockchain announced March production and operations update. And in my previous video I covered all this information, all these bullets, and for now I want to pay your attention right here. In connection with previously announced purchase orders with Bitmain in August 2020, 2400 S19 Pro and miners were shipped in late March and early April 2021 and are in the process of being received at CoinMint LLC. CoinMint is a facility in Massena, New York. Installation of these 2400 miners is expected to be completed by late April, and upon deployment, RIOT will have a total of 16,146 end miners in operation, utilizing approximately 51 megawatts of energy with an estimated hash rate capacity of 1.6 exahash per second. And here is the paragraph about their hash rate growth. By Q4 2022, Riot expects a total hash rate capacity of 7.7 exahash per second with a fleet of approximately 81,146 end miners, 95% of which will be the latest generation S19 series model. When fully deployed, the company's total fleet is expected to consume approximately 257.6 megawatts of energy with an overall hash rate efficiency of 33 joules per terahash. As a market leader, this continues to demonstrate Riot's commitment to building one of the most efficient Bitcoin mining fleet in the industry. And as you can see from this information, they just completed their installation of 2400 miners. That's why we will see the increase in their numbers, in their financials, only in Q2 results, and it will be in several months. But in a couple of weeks, we will see their earnings report, and it will be on May 17th. And this might be very good catalyst because they are still increasing their mining capacity. And despite of this huge decline in price from the top to current level of about 52%, in my opinion, they will have very good numbers in their earnings report, and this might be a good catalyst. On top of that, let me show you institutional investors. Right here we are on fintel.io, and since I made my previous video, we have a bunch of new positions, just one closed position, and it is only $1,000 in value. And this means institutional investors still believe that this company will be very successful in nearest future, and it is very good medium-term investment. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, As you can see, we hit both of my accumulation targets, and it is very good that we hit second one because we have average price in the middle of this range. For now it is $37.43, and from this point we are up for about 10% already, and it is also a very good sign. On top of that, let me remind you that from our very top to very bottom, and this is the lowest point, we had a discount of about 60%. And right here we catch this very bottom. And basically technical analysis allows you to predict these levels and to establish some key points in order to be prepared for price action. And let me show you that I drew these two lines in my previous video. And this is major support slash resistance. Right here it was a resistance, and for now it might be a support. And this is our internal resistance, and we can break down this entire structure, in my opinion, like this. This is our first wave, it is a W wave, this is our X wave, and somewhere here or maybe lower at this previous support we might have our Y wave. What does it mean? It means that in this retracement we had simple zigzag, and here it is, A, B and 5 waves in C structure. And right here we have clear impulse wave, and here we failed this wave when we broke this previous bottom, because this level is a little bit lower than this one. This means we have more than 100% retracement from this first wave, and this means this is the failed wave, and we have to have a structure of 5 waves in our C wave, in our Y wave in this case, because always the last wave should be in the shape of 5 waves. And for now we have this breakdown. In my opinion, this is the first wave, this is the second, this bottom is the third one. Right here might be a retracement, and we might have one more leg to the downside. And for now I don't know where will it land. We might even land it above this previous pivot point, and we will have a truncated fifth wave. It is also possible. And for this case I've told you to enter your position right here, because we might not have this last leg. And in case that we will have this last leg, it will be another opportunity to enter your position right here, and then we will go higher. On top of that, we might consider these two bottoms as a double bottom, and it is very good bullish sign. And in my opinion, if this pivot holds, we might have this as our lowest point, and from this point we might have a projection of our future targets. And to make a projection, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement right here. And with the assumption that this is only the third wave, this was the first one, second, third, we have to finish our fifth wave. And our fifth wave might be at 0.786 level right here at $85.16 mark. Next target, next potential target might be at around $100 mark at 1-to-1 extension from the third wave right here. And the most aggressive target might be at 1.618 level, and it is around $140 mark. So from our current price we have about 120% to our first target, 157% to our second target, and 260% to our third target. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!